how to use Zoho Books for beginners. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Zoho Books official website, and as you can see, when you go to the landing page, you're gonna see that you're gonna be able to start using Zoho Books basically for free. So as you can see, you have a 14 days free trial. So what you're gonna have to do, first of all, you're gonna have to create an account. So here you're gonna have to enter your company name. So let's enter my name here, and then you're gonna have to enter your email address and then create a password. So after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply, so let me change this. So here you're gonna have to choose your country, and then you're gonna have to simply click on, so let me choose here my country. So let's see what it is, and then you're gonna have to simply click on I agree and then click on start the free trial. So basically after you do that, so as you can see, this email doesn't work, so I'm gonna log in into my account. So after you do that, you're gonna have to simply go to your account, and then you can start using Zoho Books. So basically this is an accounting software for businesses, and you can even use it for your personal expenses and your personal business. So as you can see, you can set up sales, you can set up banking, you can sell items, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.